I actually forgot the tripod for my GoPro, so I'm going to JB Hi-Fi to collect that. I've already ordered it, so that's very important for my GoPro, unless I wouldn't be able to use it. Okay, you wanna come with me, Mustafa? Okay, let's go. Okay. You wanna wear your shoes? Yeah, hi, I'm here for the collection.
Alright, just give me 1 second, just have your hold for 1 second. Sure. Terribly sorry about the wait, so you're gonna pick up today?
Yes.
Okay, are you in a loading bay right now?
Yes, I'm on Bay 1.
Bay 1, perfect. What was your name?
Sabi Ahmed.
Sorry, what's that?
Sabi Ahmed, S-A-B-I-H, and surname is A-H-M-E-D.
Do you have a baby order? Awesome, I've found that one. You were just collecting the GoPro, the tripod?
Yes, exactly, yeah.
Awesome, I'll send someone out to you. Just make sure you have your photo ID handy, they can hand that one over.
Sure, no worries.
Thank you, bye.
How you doing?
Yes, good, how are you?
Your name?
Sabi Ahmed.
I'll be with you.
Sure. Card and license, both.
Hey, just you washing so down. Can you drop the back window from there or
Yeah, of course.
a copy of your sign as well?
Yep.
Alright, have a good day.
No worries, thank you very much. So I have got my GoPro tripod. Yes, that's what it is. And now I'm going to be using it for all my vlogging. So guys, today at last I've got the time to set up this camera, GoPro 8 Black, and at the same time I've got the tripod, very nice build quality for my GoPro 8 Black. So I'll set up this camera today and started filming it from now on. So this camera is at the moment mount on this. You gotta take this off. So all you gotta do is lift this up like this and then press this and push it forward, and then it comes out. Okay, so now you got to unscrew this to take off this mount so you can attach this to the tripod. So unscrew this like this and it comes off like this. As you can see, these two legs of this GoPro, you can make this up like this if you don't want to mount it on a tripod. So let's see what is inside this box. It's got some instruction on this card. This is a GoPro sticker, and these are some instructions of the GoPro. Okay, this is a battery. Go inside. This battery is designed for the GoPro Hero 8 Black. You cannot put this into GoPro 7, only for GoPro 8 Black. You got to put the micro SD card first. Just slide it in this slot here, as you can see. And now you got to put the battery with the blue side inside the battery slot. Like this. So to charge the GoPro, you need to take the small end of the USB cable and put it into the USB-C port. The other end, plug it into the computer, or the computer is a little bit slow in charging this camera. but if you plug it into the wall charger, it will charge it much quicker. Once this camera is charging, you will see the red light coming on here. So I'll pause the video now and I'll be back once the camera is charged. So the battery is now fully charged. I'll take off the charging lead. So having this door closed is very important. As you know, this is waterproof camera. So once the screen is on, you select whatever language you want to select. So just press agree to this legal requirement. So it's got a GPS, press on if you want to turn it on. So you got to pair this with a GoPro app. So you got to download this on your cell phone. So this app allows you to control your camera. You can turn it off, you can delete the photos, you can transfer the photos. There's so many things you can do on this. So this is the main screen, and right now this is in video mode. These are all preset settings, so you can choose whatever your favorite setting is, or you can customize those settings as well. So if you want to customize your setting, you first press this and then this customize button, and then these are the settings. So I've mounted this camera on the top of this tripod like this. So from now on I will be using it in my daily vlogs. Guys, I hope you enjoyed my review of the GoPro 8 Black. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press that notification bell. I will see you in my next vlog. Thank you. Bye.